Hey there, garden lovers! Ever dreamed of growing peonies but think you don't have the space? Let me show you how to grow those gorgeous blooms right on your patio or balcony using pots. Let's get right into it. First off, why peonies in pots? Container gardening brings these classic flowers right to your doorstep. It's easier to control soil quality and you can move your plants for the best sunlight. Now here's what you'll need: a large, sturdy pot, at least 12 to 18 inches deep, with good drainage holes, high-quality potting mix, slow-release fertilizer, and of course, a healthy peony root or young plant. Step 1. Choose your pot. Peonies like room to grow, so pick the biggest one you can manage. Make sure it has drainage holes, because soggy roots are a peony's worst enemy. Step 2. Fill the pot about 2/3 with your potting mix. I love a mix that's rich and well-draining. You can add a little compost for an extra boost. Step 3. Plant your peony root. Set it with the eyes or buds facing up and cover with just 1 to 2 inches of soil. Planting too deep can mean fewer blooms, so keep it shallow. Step 4. Water thoroughly. Give it a good soak, but let the excess drain out. Keep the soil moist, not soggy, especially in those first few weeks. Step 5. Find the perfect spot. Peonies need about 6 hours of sunlight a day, so a sunny balcony or patio is ideal. In really hot climates, a little afternoon shade is perfect. Step 6. Fertilize once in early spring with a slow-release balanced fertilizer. That's all your plant needs to set those stunning buds. Now a quick tip: peonies in pots can get top-heavy when in bloom, so be ready to stake them or tuck your pot somewhere sheltered from strong winds. And for winter, if you live somewhere super cold, move your pot close to the house or wrap it up to protect the roots. That's it. With just a little care, you'll have those lush, fragrant peony blooms lighting up your small space every spring. That's all you need to grow stunning peonies in pots. For the complete step-by-step guide, tools, and winter care tips, visit smallspacesprouts.com. The link's in the description.